So hey and welcome back to another video. And so you are watching my YouTube channel Unique Studio, and in this video, as you know, this is the video of our text effect Photoshop. So in this video we are going to make this little cool effects and like arrangements which you're watching on our screen. I think don't waste more time right now to make this video longer. The first effect name is liquify effect, and it's look cool, and as you can see on the screen. So first of all we need to do that, go into layer section and select your type tool and type what you want to be. I will make it in liquify in the white color. So I have selected a random text because which I want to be make a liquify effect. So I hope I have tried this last video, but I want to be changed in this video right now. So first of all I want a solid color. That is cool for this liquify effect. So click on that and change it what I want to be. That's it. Maybe this is looking cooler than, and copy it again. So this is this. I have copied it 3 times in my Photoshop, and now select these 3 layers which we have been made from the copy, and then right click on it and convert into the smart object. As you can see, we have converted this in. So go to the filter, click on the liquify effect, and as you know, our window will pop up in just a few seconds, and this is maybe just in a blur effects but still working. So the density, I am going to increase the density and the pressure to up to 80%. Okay, so that's it, and I want to make it liquify. Oh my god, that is not it. So that's it. This will be looking cool, and that's it. So this will be the looking great effect to our text, because we don't want to be more, and I want to gain the brush sizes up. So that's, oh my god, too much. So that's it. So that's why we are lying it down towards the, and that's it. As you can see, this look affects cool right now, because just that's it enough to be as a liquifying. So click on OK button, and here is your liquify effect has been ready to use in your content and your creations. What you want to create it, banners, ads, and whatever you want to be, like vectors, and whatever you want to be use this effect in. So here is I'm back because this is the second text effect in this tutorial, and this is a slice cut effect too. This is very easy to make because this is just take a few seconds. I think this will take a few minutes to make it. So let's start it. Then go to again your text tool and select your font which you want to make this effect in. So I am going to in which you want to make this slice cut tool effect. So I have selected my font, and then click on the slice cut and place your text on this one where you want to be made a text effect. So I have a random text, so that's it. And what you want to be the next one is go to the layers panel and make your original layers a duplicate one, and that's it. And this duplicate effect will be, so click on your polygonal lasso or selection tool, which you can use it your pen tool again. So make it a selection around your font you want to be cut down. So I want to be cut down this. So that's it. I have made a selection around my cutting slice effect. So that's it. I will be place a mask on our second copied layer. Okay, so that's just mask it, and then place it, press your mask and invert it. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, our slice effect is looking so nice and cool right now when I hide my original text layer. So make it on, and then make a new layer above these layers. Okay, so click on your mask where you placed on your this layer and press Ctrl and that's. As you can see, this is having make a selection around these all, and go your original new layer which you have made, and then select the brush tool. Hardness will be 0, brush general brush, and the pixel size will be upon. That's it. And opacity will up to 100 and the flow will be up to 10% only. Make a color which you want to be placed a shadow on to your text effect. So that's it, and paste a shadow on. So here is paste your effect just like that, and as you will be get the result soon. And that's it, our slice cut effect have been made. And then press Ctrl T. As you can see, our slice cut effect have been made. Little great effect on that. So that's it guys, our sliced cut effect has been made, a great effect of that one. And as you know, and now you have know this how to make these two effects on your Photoshop, and you can make it and use either what you want to be in your content. How to arrange these two and three effects on a single layer panel, as you can see on my thumbnail video's thumbnail. Let's move on to the video back. So create a random pixels image where you want to be arrange this, and that's it. I have been imported these pictures, as you know. So click on this first picture and drag it onto this one, rescale it to adjust on your layers panel, and that's it. And there is maybe enough ones. Okay, so go to the right click on it and distort. So this will be the place a little effect on our picture and will be enhanced our picture for a clear effect which we want to be. And then go to the second one, click on it, place on your picture, and remember your pictures want to be two different colors to merge it on, and it will be in front of the second back layer, and distort it just behind this picture like this. And that's it. As you can see, our both pictures have been adjusted in a way, but there's a missing things like a shadow effect and like the shadow on the back side of our liquify effect image. So make it on. So click on this image and make a mask on it, and then click your mask and go to the gradient tool, select the basic ones and black and white. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and just right there, and just a little bit then once. And as you can see, our shadow effect has been placed on that this, and click on these two and make it a group and make it the shape, and then duplicate of your group, and then Ctrl T and right click on it and flip vertically, and that's it. And then okay, and just select your duplicated layers just down below. That's it, and that's it. Okay, so that's enough. And go to this, and as you can see, this is not be binding as much as we can. This shadow is not looking so good. So click on this layer and Ctrl T, go to the again, distort and move this onto this. So this looks really cool effect to our video and our picture. So hide this group on and click these both and make a mask on it again. So go to the again your gradient tool and press the shift hold, and that's it. Maybe this is enough coolest effect of our video on photos, but not right there. So click on the second group and right click on it and convert it to the smart object. Then it converts into the smart object. Select it and go to the filters, blur and Gaussian blur. And as you can see, this looks so pretty to our, and that's it's the cooler one. Okay, and as you can see, this is really insane effect on our. So that's it. Here's the end of the video, and hope you have understand my language, and I hope you understand what I have made today in this video. And if you are a new viewer to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button below, which is red in color. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we will meet in the next video. Bye.